Hey guys, today we are going to talk about the new features included in iOS 16.1.1. So let's go. The first one includes the lock for hidden and recently deleted photos. This iOS update locks those two folders by default now and only you can view them. The second one includes viewing Wi-Fi password. With this update, you can easily view the password of the network that you're connected to by simply clicking the icon. You can even copy the password and paste it somewhere else. It's super easy, guys. The third one includes copying and pasting the edits. This is one of my favorite updates. You can simply edit a picture and apply the same edits to the other picture like I'm doing here. I'm just introducing a contrast or changing the contrast, saving the picture, saving the edits and copying the edits and applying the same edits to the next picture. This is pretty awesome. You guys should do it as well. This update now allows you to pin URLs, which is very handy if you have some URLs or sites you frequently visit. As you can see, you can simply click on the site and then select pin tab. Likewise, you can unpin the URL as well. Now, we have this absolutely new feature called Clean Energy Charging, which is turned on by default when you install the new update. According to Apple, when this feature is turned on, your iPhone gets a forecast of carbon emission in your local energy grid and uses it to charge your iPhone during the times of cleaner energy production, which is pretty awesome. Now, with this update, you can hang up your phone calls, including FaceTime, using Siri. Simply go to Settings, Siri and search, call hang up option and just turn it on. Even though this option seems pretty weird that you have to say, hey Siri, hang up in the middle of a call, but this feature is available. Now, even though this feature to customize your lock screen was not introduced in this update, it's worth mentioning. You can now customize your lock screen, add widgets, change wallpaper, and do some crazy fun stuff.